If you want to use a memory card on a Nothing phone for a Pro, then unfortunately you cannot really do so with the SIM tray. So of course over here I have the SIM tray that I removed from Nothing phone for a Pro, and there is simply no way to use the microSD card. It is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray. There is no slot where you can insert the microSD card and put it into the phone and use it all the time. What you can do instead is you can use a memory card reader. So I have my example memory card reader. There are also smaller ones with only the microSD card slot. So then you can insert the microSD card into the memory card reader, and then you can connect it to the phone, and then you can access the microSD card storage. And yes, I can understand when someone says that this is very inconvenient. That is really not a real solution, because no one really wants to walk around with this thing connected to your phone all the time. And I agree. And it's not the point to have it connected all the time and walk around with this huge accessory connected to your phone all the time. But the point is to have an option that allows you to simply access the microSD card storage, so then you can do whatever you want with your files on your microSD card, whether you want to transfer something from your phone to the microSD card or the other way around, or if you just want to open something on your phone, something that you have on the microSD card. So whenever you have saved in there, it can still be accessed on your phone, but you need to use this additional USB accessory. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.